classification of elements into block. We know that the electrons in an atom are accommodated with the shells around the nucleus. Electrons are accommodated with some shells that are around the nucleus. Each shell consists of one or more subshells in which the electrons are distributed in certain manner. The subshells are designed as S, P, D and F. See here, electrons revolve around the nucleus in a stationary circular path. Electrons revolve around the nucleus in a stationary circular path. இப்படிதான் வந்து electrons வந்து it is revolving. Likewise, this path is known as shells. இந்த path எல்லாத்தையுமே என்ன சொல்றாங்க? They are denoting as shells. Next is first shell is 1s. See here, the first shell is 1s and the second shell is 2s 2p and the third shell is 3s 3p 3d and the fourth shell is 4s 4p 4d and 4f. So what are the subshells mean? Subshells are S, P, D, F. Subshells are S, P, D, F. These subshells are designated as S, P, D, F and based on the arrangement of electrons in subshell, the elements of periodic table are classified into 4 blocks. Based on these subshells, the elements are classified into 4 blocks. What are the 4 block means? S block elements, P block elements, D block elements and F block elements. So, according to these subshells, the elements are classified into 4 blocks in the modern periodic table. So, 1s, 2s, 2p, the second is 2s, 2p and the third shell is 3s, 3p, 3d and the fourth shell is 4s, 4p, 4d and 4f. See here, now let us see about the S block elements. What are the 4 blocks? S block, P block, D block and F block. Now let us see about S block elements. See here, S block element, P block element, D block element and F block element. First one is S block elements. It includes group 1 alkali metals and group 2 alkaline earth metals. So, S block elements include, see here, group 1 and group 2. Group 1 is alkali metals and the group 2 is alkaline earth metals. So, the S block elements include two groups, that is group 1 and group 2. See here, they are also called as representative elements. S block elements are also called as representative element. The elements of group 1 except hydrogen are metals. In the group 1 elements except hydrogen, other things are metals. Okay, next is they react with water to form solutions to change the color of litmus paper. So these react with water to form some solutions. For what means to change the litmus of a paper from red to blue. From the red color litmus paper to blue color litmus paper, they react with water to form the solution. These solutions are said to be highly alkaline or basic, hence they are called as alkali metals. The elements of group 2 are also metals. They combine with oxygen. See here, group 1 is combining with hydrogen and the group 2 is combining with oxygen to form oxides, formerly called earths, and these oxides produced alkaline solutions when they are dissolved in water. While it is dissolving in water, it is forming as alkaline solutions. Hence, these elements are called as alkaline earth metals. So, group 2 elements are called as alkaline earth metals and the group 1 are called as alkali metals. See here, S block elements include group 1 and group 2. So, what is the other name of S block elements? Representative elements. Now, let us see about the group 1 elements. These are called as alkali metals. Group 1 elements are called as alkali metals except hydrogen. For example, if sodium is reacting with water, sodium is Na and the water is H2O. So, sodium Na is reacting with water H2O and it is giving as NaOH plus H2. NaOH plus H2 கிடைக்குதா? So, see here, to balance the equation, we are adding 2NaOH. 2NaOH H2O. So, இங்கே 2Na இருக்கிறதுனால to balance this equation, here we are adding 2Na. So, while the sodium is reacting with water, hydrogen is the first element in the periodic table. So, its electronic configuration is 1s. What is the electronic configuration of hydrogen? 1s. Like alkali metal, hydrogen loses 1 electron and form H2 ions. See here, like alkali metal, hydrogen losses is 1 electron and it forms as H2 ion. Like halogen, hydrogen gains 1 electron and form H minus ion, that is hydrate. See here, it loses 1 electron and it forms as H2 ion, and it gains 1 electron and it forms as H minus ion as hydrate. Now group 2, they are called as alkaline earth metals. Group 1 are called as alkali metals. Group 2 are called as alkaline earth metals. For example, magnesium is reacting with oxygen, it is becoming as magnesium oxide. Next is group 2 elements react with oxygen and it forms oxides. Group 2 elements are reacting with oxygen and it is forming as oxide. Group 2 elements react with oxygen and it is forming as oxide. Example, magnesium is dissolved in water, it is magnesium oxide. So, if magnesium is dissolving in water means it is becoming as magnesium oxide. So, the magnesium oxide is one of the alkaline solution. Are you clear?